Why are they out at this time? Really?
Who's that?
Piss taking it, bro.
People are...
That's what I was saying. It's insane that they're out at this time.
It's like...
Who's out at this time?
Yeah, no, it's
Jimmy
insane,
Savile.
innit?
Ah, right. Do you love a bit of Jimmy Savile?
Love a
What are
bit
you
of
on about?
cocker smell.
Love a bit
Cocker
of Jimmy
spaniel.
Savile.
Yeah, bro, you know it.
Liver.
What's it calling you, bro? Is that Luke Skywalker?
Yeah.
More like Luke Skywanker.
Fucking hell.
Get it, you wank the sky.
Oh,
You still going on, lad?
There, mate.
oh fuck me.
Fucking hell's that Beauty and the Beast?
Do you shag?
Do you do the nasty behind Tesco's?
Fucking hell. Do you ever talk normal?
What,
Yeah,
bro?
Fine, normal.
um,
Cheers, mate.
Where are we going?
This spawn and bread this.
Okay, great. Where are we going? You know what? You'd be sick at that. You know that, like, if you can fix a bike, then you can fix a tank. You know
Yeah,
that-
that's what I've been
well,
saying.
maybe- I can be sick at that.
Ah, 2 armor
same
plates.
thing,
I'll
yeah.
kill him with that.
Oh yay! Do you love a bit of?
Oh, and shotgun ammo. Ah, Luke, you're always looking out for me.
Behind me! Behind.
Look at this. Oh shit.
There's 2 out there.
I've blued one of them. No need to thank me.
I think they've jumped down.
Don't say that. I'm down
They're scared of me.
Tagging supplies.
Oh no, he's still here. Lol.
Oh no.
RPD's nuts, mate.
What?
Cheers, mate.
Ah. No way, Gandhi's playing.
No way, Gandhi's Indian. I refuse to believe it. Oh my god, I thought I died then. I just jumped out the window and it didn't let me parachute.
Do you get in? Do you get in?
Oh my god, bro, Joe Mama's playing.
Friendly.
Say Luke or Louis.
Oh wait.
Not that you'd know my name.
What? I was gonna say, is your name Louis?
No.
Really?
Dewey Louie.
It's not cool, Adam.
I've done your dirty there, bro.
What does your voice actually sound like? Very
He sounds like a
curious.
spaz. Honestly, I'd rather him just keep that on because he sounds like an idiot usually.
Oh.
Mate, you were getting violated by your mate.
Not even mate. No.
Me. Stop being sly, bro.
He called me Gooey Louie just now. He deserved it.
Yeah, that is very
Hope his nan gets ran over.
Oh, dear's dead, bro.
That not hurting your throat speaking up.
Injected with heroin.
Yeah, because that
Oh,
hurts
lad.
now, doesn't it?
Oh, here's someone, but I can't.
Yeah,
Who's over?
I'm coming back.
You and Luke are going off. I'm shagging your boyfriend.
Saying what?
Hmm.
You're out there.
I get it.
Yes, bro.
Oh, okay.
You laughing's killing me, man.
Any clothes in it, think they'll swallow them all.
You like keep spitting.
What, you know Purple Lucky?
Don't shoot them. Oh, I'll shoot them, it's fine.
Wait.
Do you not know how good I am at this game, bro?
Alright, if we don't get a win, you're shit.
I've had 2 wins within 2 games, bro.
Oh,
Buddy.
so we're gonna get.
Same.
So we're gonna get this win. Bad.
Oh shit! I've been flashbanged. That's wank that. Oh, I still killed him.
Oh, there's one more, one more.
Oh, he's down. He's shit, fam.
One more.
Did you say fam?
Blue.
Still got a mission to complete.
course he did. Because it's cool.
Yeah, dog.
He is super cool, bro.
Oh, I'm fucking scared.
Luke,
You
you're
are
such
like
a
that,
shooting
bro.
at me, like, that's friendly fire.
No, mate, it'd be so funny if it wasn't. I could just kill you. That'd be so funny.
No, it wouldn't, because I'd be dead then. That'd be horrible. That'd be
Yeah.
horrible.
That's what
That'd
we
be the
thought.
worst thing in the
That's
world.
what's-
That'd be horrible. That'd be obscene.
That's what's
Careful
funny
from
about it.
knowledge, you bro. Careful from. Come back to me when you've been Scouse land, bro. Come back to me.
Beating a cobalt chap.
Come back to me when you got 4 KOs in Legoland.
Already got them. I thought, what?
I don't like to repeat myself.
Oh,
voice.
did I hear like? Did I hear something like? What did I hear at the end?
I don't know, mate.
If we win, can I hear your actual voice?
Yeah, man.
He just does it, but like more hardcore into like the distortion. This is me actual voice.
There's a guy down there.
There's 4 teams still alive in the circle. Fucking hell.
Yes.
That
3
is
teams alive,
bonkers.
sorry.
Go bonkers. Ah. Shit.
Go half,
sorry.
queen.
You guys not got a heartbeat?
Get it, princess. Ah. Fuck that.
So what? How the fuck did you die?
Have you got 2
Fucking
lives? Or
Bear
is it
Blackie got
gone?
me. Bear Blackie got me.
What was it?
One man down, bro. Bear Blackie's got me.
Aren't you sick of this
Okay,
game,
now.
You might want to win
Yeah,
this so
thank
you can hear me actual voice.
Why don't you just start speak normally now?
I can't.
Because he's made the promise.
Too many thugs, bro. I love the
clever.
salty favour. They have to eat pineapple first, though.
Come sick. Can't stop till I get
Come
enough.
tastes like fruit
They're all
pastilles, bro.
below.
That's what MJ said, la.
Of course.
Course.
Of course.
Of course.
Jeffrey, can you get
Oh,
me a
how
Capri Sun?
fantastic. Oh, how fantastic is this day.
A black currant Capri Sun would be smashing, Alfred. I would cream my pants if you got me one.
Fucking hell.
I know. Oh my god,
I'd
look
be
at
neck
me.
deep in semen.
What?
Throat's all sticky, la.
Look, bro,
Oh,
look
the
here.
guy there.
Beating it.
It's gone now, though. You scared me.
Oh, you shitting me.
Oh, go get him,
I
Luke
look like a
Skywalker.
black cock. Get your green lighty on him. Get your lecky. Get on it on your lecky scooter. Get your lecky scooter on him, bro.
Oh,
Scooter.
not right.
You alright?
If you could just... But I don't want to be a dick. Could you maybe just like... Shush.
You ever shut up?
No. No.
Can you shut up? Lad, look, I've got the roof. Showed him.
Please, shut up. I would shut up. My back wasn't hurting. 24/7.
They're coming up here. I heard them running up here.
Oh shit.
But we need to move. Oh shit.
Get
Oh,
off the
shit,
roof,
shit,
get off
shit.
the roof.
Oh shit.
bollocks!
Go off the roof.
Oh shit!
Oh, protoplasmic invertebrate jellies.
Oh no, I'm wank.
Oh, fucking hell.
That's his
You didn't win
bonkers!
the game, you didn't win the game, you didn't win the game, you know what I mean?
Shut up.
Been in the sky.
Skywalker shit!
Oh.
You're shit.
Suck my dick and
Protoplasmic
balls!
invertebrate. They left.
Why?